Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you how to start your speaking journey, how to improve your English. It is a not difficult, it is a so easy. But your mind is a lot of questions, your lot of suffering. You're not English is a enemy. It's a lot of question in your mind. But it is so easy. First thing is you are believe yourself and you start your speaking journey. Okay, your how to improve your English is the most important two things, listening and speaking. Yeah, but I have only two tips. You have follow these tips and you can speak English. My first tips is actions. Okay, you are doing anything work, doing this anything work, your first thing your actions. Okay, you learn this language, you are you learn this language, you're not tomorrow. Tomorrow you are never come your life. Okay, you start now, you start your speaking journey. Let's start your talk to yourself. Your talk, your action. Okay, actually you're doing work. First of all, your action is the most important. Okay, you're not actions, you're not getting a result, you're not lot of knowledge, you're not getting a knowledge. Okay, your actions, your daily actions, you talk to yourself, you can speak English, you can speak. And your mind is a thinking, you're automatically you are you are thinking in English, you're automatically thinking English. Yes, but you try to something, you new things, you need to try to something. Okay, every person is a lot of mistake, every person is a lot of grammatical mistake, but you rectify your mistake. But first thing is your actions. Action is the most important. You're not actions, you're not getting a result. Yes, but your first time you slowly speak your short sentence, you start you start your short sentence. Yes, you're not fumble. First time you're fumble, but your daily practice your remove your fumble. Okay, and second thing is a consistent, you're daily consistent, you're never ever give up. First time you're not talk to English, and you are I have not to speak to English, and I'm give up. This is not, this is not good things. You try, you daily try, you are daily consistent. Okay, you should learn this language. English is so easy. Okay, you are daily consistent. One day you definitely you can speak English. Your your English is a right or wrong, but you can speak. You are speak to English. Okay, thank you watching this my video. My videos like and subscribe, and you can do and you can speak, and two tips you are follow. Okay, bye bye.